welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian Buvi. Today I'm going to be taking you through on how to file your Nssf returns, company monthly Nssf returns. Remember, this is done online. You no longer take your flash to Nssf and then they have to create to do the work. You're supposed to do the work yourself at the office. Then you produce an invoice which you're supposed to pay for. So what you usually do is you go to the Nssf portal. You just type on your computer Nssf. This is the National Social Security Fund. And even before you start filing, it is very important for you to note that you're supposed to have an Excel. There's an Excel format to which you are supposed to prepare your Nssf. It's called the Nssf payroll template. So you download that template. Once you've downloaded it, you save it somewhere where you are able to easily access it. In my case, I've just saved it to the desktop. Then this is how the Excel looks like. The one that you're supposed to file your returns, your Nssf returns with. So once you've downloaded the Nssf, I've already prepared a template that you're supposed to use. So this is how it looks like. Remember, in the template, they are showing you the instructions of what you're supposed to do. There's no formula in the cells. There's no special characters, e.g. the slash, the commas, the apostrophes. Nothing should be appear on the last record. All these instructions, you read them properly. So you basically enable the Excel sheet and then you delete these instructions. Once you have known them and you've gone through them and you've understood them, you delete them. And then you come and put the name of the person that you want to contribute for in that template. So you put it in there. In my case, I'm going to be contributing for myself. So there is the payroll number, there is the surname, there is the two other names, Brian Muse, and then there is the ID number, there's the KRA PIN. Remember, those numbers are supposed to be accurate. And then there's the Nssf number. And my KRA pin is A006011. And then in the part where you are contributing 200 and the company is contributing 200, you just write 3334. Just write 3334 under gross pay. If there's anything you want to voluntarily contribute, you put it there, but in this case there isn't. And then this is how the template should look like. So you save it where you are able to access it when uploading. I'm going to save it at the desktop. You save the template. Once you've prepared everything, you save it where you are able to access it. So in my case, I'm going to save it at the desktop. Then I'm going to write the name of the company, Nssf. Nssf and the month, October 2021. So I'll be able to easily access it. Then I've saved it in the desktop. So once you have it saved there, you go back to the Nssf portal, and then under the Nssf portal, there is employer self-service. Under the employer self-service, you come and click on payroll and payment processing. Under payroll and payment processing, you get where you're supposed to put the company username and the password you're supposed to get from Nssf. Once you've registered your company, you log in. Once you've logged in, the first step, there are many steps that you take when filing for Nssf returns. The first step is you can click on the payroll converter. Remember, there are some documents, there's the name and some amount you put on the Excel sheet. So it's going to convert it. So Once you've clicked on the payroll converter, you come and create payroll period. For my instance, I'm paying for October 2021. The payroll type, I'm a regular employee for this particular company. And then the contribution type, I'm doing the old rates. Old rates is where the company contributes 200 and you contribute, you're deducted 200, which is a total of 400. And then you open. So you have created that period of which you're going to file the returns for. The next step after creating that period, you see it says the submission period has been successfully created. You come and upload the file which you saved, the Excel file that you saved in the desktop. So you come here, you say choose, and then you go to where you saved it. That's why I said you have to remember where you've saved your document and how you have named it. In my instance, I saved it in on the desktop and I called it Bradrian Nssf October 2021. So that's the document. You open it and then you upload. You can choose to click on this upload or this arrow that is looking upwards. They are both going to be doing the same thing. So you click. Once you see the written in blue, the file Braden and Nssf October 2021 was successfully uploaded. Please return to the payroll converter page and click on process data. So you have uploaded, you go back. Once you go back, you come here, you say process the payroll data. Now the system is going to go through the names that you've put to verify whether the ID number, the nssf number, the KRA pin number that you've put is correct. So you click on the process payroll data. It will take a minute or a second. Payroll processing has been initiated. You will be notified about the process. You say okay, but the system as it works, you keep on clicking on that until it says payroll process has been completed. Once it's been completed, you're supposed again now from this point, you download this completed document. You view and download SF24. It's called the SF24 document. You download. Now, here you will find a converted Excel schedule. So this is how it looks. You remember this is not how I put the documents in the Excel. So it's been defined. They've put my payroll number, my surname Brian, other names Brian Movie, ID number, KRA pin, my NSSF number, coverage code, and then the salary days, which I told you put 333 and 4, and then the income type. You see now they have separated. It's the membership contribution 200 and the employer contribution 200, which comes to a total of 400. So the total that I'm paying is 400. You download this. You come here. This is where you download. It's called an SF24 document. This is how it will go. You save it on your desktop. Kindly please be saving this document somewhere where you are able to access them easily. So you save it on the desktop and click save. Once you've saved it on the desktop, you might choose to open it if you want to, but it's not necessary. Once you open the document, you will see how it looks from the inside. And then here, this is how it looks like. It is condensed, but it is it's elaborating everything that I've just shown you. There's nothing to edit there, so you just close the document because you're going to be uploading it again. So from there, once you have downloaded the document, you go back. You click here, go back. After you've gone back, that process of payroll converter is finished. That is the first step. The second step is to go to the SF24 action. Remember, the document that we just downloaded is called the SF24 Excel document. So we are going to act on it. So you click on SF24 action. Under the SF24 action, you are again supposed to create the submission period. You create submission period. Submission period for our instance is October 2021, and then you open. You open. Once you've opened this, it says the submission period has been successfully created. So once it's been successfully created, you remember this is, now you are supposed again to come here and upload a file, the SF24 document that we saved in the desktop. So you click on File, Upload. Under there, you come and choose. You choose from your desktop or wherever it is that you save that document. You click on choose. Under choose, you go to where you saved the SF24 document and download it. On my instance, this is the SF24 document which I have downloaded on this date. You also look at the date so that you don't upload the wrong document. So once I've uploaded the document, you can choose to upload. As I told you, upload from here or here. The last time I used this one, so let me use this side now. It will upload the document, and if successful, it will tell you the file SF24 blah 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 was successfully uploaded. Please return to SF24 management page and click on check submission. So once you've uploaded, you go back. This time now I'm teaching you accounting. This is what we are paid to do for. So once you have uploaded that document, you come on check submission. You check submission. The submission check has been initiated. You will be notified about the check, and then you come and say progress. Come and say okay. It starts processing, and then you click again on submission until it verifies that the submission state has been modified. It's now processing. It is checking for any errors in your Excel schedule. If there are any errors, you're not able to continue. So you click again on submission. It is still processing. Once that is done, it will tell you view check results, view SF24. If this document had an error, it would have told you on the state that there's an error. But since it says it's okay, now you go back. That step for SF24 action is complete. So the next step is payment order. So you have already done the payroll converter step. You've gone to step 2, SF24 action. You've completed. Now you go to payment order. Under the payment order, you are supposed to they already have now the details. You are paying 400 for this period, for the October 2021 period. So you're just supposed to here you are just verifying how you're going to pay for the contribution. So the payment mode, is it direct cash or is it EFT, RTGS, or M-Pesa? In my case, I'll put M-Pesa. So you see bank code, you come and click here to be able to get the code for that transaction that you're going to have. You normally get this list of banks, but for your case, because you're paying via M-Pesa, just click on search and it will give you the only option that you have. You click on M-Pesa and then you say select. Once you've done that, now this document is like done. So you're supposed to come here. This is the symbol for saving. So you save. Once you've clicked on save, it will process. And once it's saved, it's supposed to give you the last step, which is before you click on save, I'm sorry, you're supposed to drag this document. You see this document here, unpaid SF24. So this is unpaid. So you drop unpaid SF24 here. So you left click, you drag it down and drop it there and you release. So once you've put it there, now it's when you come and save. I'm sorry for that. You come and save. So upon saving, it will process and save. Sorry, it just logged out. I think the system has an error, but we are in the payment order part. So we were almost done. So we said you come here, you click on M-Pesa. You come here, you search. Remember, these are systems. Sometimes they can take you back. And then you drag the SF24 and then drop it there. And then you come and click on save. You click on save. It will tell you the payment order was successfully saved. So you click on OK. Upon clicking on OK, it automatically gives you your document that you're supposed to pay. That is how it looks. An SSF payment order. This is the document that you're supposed to use to pay. So you print this document immediately. Once you've printed this document, I will show you. Once you've printed the document, there is something that we call unique payment number e-slip. Unique, it is unique payment number e-slip. So that is the account number. And then if you go to the Nssf portal, they will show you the pay bill number. So in Nssf, if you go and check how to pay via M-Pesa, so you'll just come and click M-Pesa contribution procedures. Under the Nssf contribution procedures, there are steps. You go to the till, use payment services, you go to pay bill, and then the pay bill number is 333300. And then the account number is what I told you. The account number is the UPN number. This is the account number. Um, let's zoom for clarity. This is the account number, unique payment number, e-slip. This one that starts with 82100, blah, 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 blah. So that is the account number. Remember, the pay bill number is 333300, and then the account number is the UPN number. You pay, you will receive a message from Nssf that you've done your payment, and then you do your filing. So you have done your returns for Nssf for the month of October 2021. So I hope, guys, that was very helpful. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Brian Movie. And until next time, goodbye.